にちは。
こんにちは。
ナニです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Today is JLPT N4 and the grammar point is
そうだ、らしい。
Okay, so the basic meaning of these, well, sorta has lots of meanings in other contexts, but in this kind of context, when comparing the two, the basic meaning is seems like, or looks like, or I've heard that. I think one of the difficulties beginners have with the two is what's the difference between the two and the different ways that you use them.
It's very simple, so you just have to remember it. The biggest difference is soda means you heard something. Exactly, you heard something, some story from other people. Rashi means it seems to, or you are guessing something by yourself. Technically, the meaning of soda is you heard some specific information from some specific person. So you can make the sentence like 誰々から聞いたんだけど、誰々によると like according to someone、何は会社を辞めるそうだ、会社を辞めるそうですよ。That is a correct sentence. You have to put some reference. Yeah. But you can also say 何って会社辞めるらしいよ。誰から聞いたんだけど。You can also say it, but grammatically the meaning is like I'm guessing, but it might be.
Okay, so the difference in the situation is, for example, we're working in the same office and somebody has said to you, 何は仕事辞めるよ。なんかさっき何が言った。明日会社辞めるよ。And you say to some other person, 何は辞めるそうですよ。But if you don't want to specify who gave you the information, or there is no specific information, it's just kind of a rumor going around, you can say 何は仕事辞めるらしいです。
Yeah, らしい is more vague.
Right, okay.
I'm just guessing what I think or I heard, like everything you can use it. But soda is you heard something from specific someone.
Okay, so if you're saying 辞めるそうだ, the other person knows that you have received that information from someone. Whereas if you say 辞めるらしいです, it's more like, well, the source of the information is unclear, but there's some kind of rumor going around. There's a slight difference in the nuance.
Yeah, it's about nuance.
Which one would you say was used more often?
100% らしい
Is used more often.
Soda is more like written word. So you can use it, but らしい is more like useful.
北海道で地震があったらしい。田中さんによると、明日はミーティングがあるそうです。明日、学校は休みだそうです。